Example 9.5. Suppose the energy of an electron in hydrogen-like atom is given as En is equal to minus 54.4 by n square electron volt, where n is an element of small n is an element of capital N. Calculate the following. A. Sketch the energy levels for this atom and compute the atomic number. B. If the atom is in ground state, compute its first excitation potential and also its ionization potential. C. When a photon with energy 42 volt and another photon with energy 56 electron volt are made to collide with this atom, does this atom observe these photons? D. Determine the radius of the first Bohr orbit. E. Calculate the kinetic and potential energies of the electron in the ground state. Okay. Now we'll go one by one. Okay, what is given is the energy is given. Okay. Energy is given as minus 54.4 pi n square electron volt. First we have to find out the energy levels and the energy of the energy levels, and we have to sketch it. Okay, using that we have to compute the atomic number. Okay, now we'll go for the first part. What is energy? Energy En is equal to minus 54.4 by n square electron volt. Okay, now for n is equal to 1, E1 is equal to minus 54.4 by 1 square. So that is nothing but what? Minus 54.4 electron volt. Now n is equal to 2. E2 is equal to minus 54.4 by n square value is what? 2 square, that is 4. So it is, if you divide this, you will be getting it as minus 13.6 electron volt. Now n is equal to 3. E3 is equal to minus 54.4 divided by n square is 9. So 3 square is 9. So if you divide this, you will be getting it as minus 6.04 electron volt. N is equal to 4. E4 is equal to minus 54.4 divided by 16. So you will be getting it as minus 3.4 electron volt, and this will be going on like this. Okay, so I will write it as so on. Okay, suppose n is equal to infinity, then E infinity is equal to what? 0. Anything divided by infinity is what? 0 electron volt. Now with these values we can sketch what? The energy levels. Okay. Now here, like this only you have to sketch the energy levels. Why this much gap is, you can find out the difference between this and this. That is the energy of the first energy level and the second energy level. So you can see here what is, there is a lot of difference, but the difference between E2 and E3 is small. E3 and E4 is lesser than that. So we are giving what? Less gaps. Okay, so this is how we have to draw the what? Energy level diagram. Now we have to go for the second part of the question. If the atom is in ground state, computes its first excitation potential and its ionization potential. Now, for hydrogen atom, the ground state energy is given by what is E1 is equal to minus 13.6 by n square into z square electron volt. Okay. Now, comparing with the energy level diagram, okay, substituting n is equal to 1, Okay, here I am going to substitute as n is equal to 1. So what I will get it, E1 is equal to minus 13.6 Z square. Okay. Now, but what is the energy of ground state? That is minus 54.4 electron volt. Okay. So for what value you will be getting it as 54.4? So you want to get it as 54.4. So for that your Z value should be is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. The Z value should be equal to what? Plus or minus 2. But Z cannot be a negative number. So your Z value is what? 2. In order to get minus 54.4, your Z value is equal to 2. So the atomic number is how much? 2. Now we have to calculate the first excitation energy. So the first excitation energy is nothing but the energy difference between, okay, the first energy level and the second energy level, that is E2 minus E1. Now what is the value of E2? E2 we have calculated minus 13.6, okay, electron volt, minus E1 is minus 54.4 electron volt. So this can be written as minus 13.6 plus 54.4. So that is 40.8 electron volts. This is the first excitation energy. Now for you have to find out the first excitation potential. So what is the formula for the first excitation potential? That is V1. Potential is mentioned by V1. V1 is equal to E1 by small e. Okay. So here E1 is given in electron volt. So 40.8 electron volt by E. So here the E and E will get cancelled. 40.8 volt. Okay. Now we have to find out the first ionization energy. That is E ionization is equal to, how to find out the ionization energy is energy at the infinity level minus energy at the ground state level. So what is the energy at the infinity level? 0. What is the energy at the ground state level? Minus 54.4. So it is plus 54.4 electron volt. Now we have to go for finding the first ionization potential. So how to find out the first ionization potential? V ionization is equal to E ionization by small e. So that is 54.4 electron volt by E. So this and this will get cancelled. So you will be getting it as 54.4 volt. So we have calculated the first ionization energy, first ionization potential, and first excitation energy and the first excitation potential. Now what is the third part of the question? When a photon with energy 42 volt and another photon with energy 56 electron volt are made to collide, here this is also electron volt, made to collide with this atom, does this atom absorb these photons? Now see part of the question. Now we are going to consider two photons, A and B. Okay. Now energy of A photon is 42 electron volt and energy of B photon is 51 electron volt. Okay. Now the difference in energy levels should be equal to that of the energy of the photons. Okay, then it will get absorbed. Okay, so we'll go for finding the difference in energy levels. So first we'll go for E2 minus E1. That is minus 13.6 minus of minus 54.4. So what is this? That is 40.8 electron volt, which is approximately equal to 41 electron volt. Now E3 minus E1, we'll find it out. What is minus 6.04 minus of minus 54.4. So if you add these two, what will you get it here is 48.36 electron volt. Now we'll go for finding E4 minus E1. Minus 3.4. E4 is 3.4 minus of minus 54.4. So which is equal to 51 electron volt. We'll go for E3 minus E2. Minus 6.04 minus of minus 13.6. That is E2 is 13.6. So it is 7.56 electron volt. We can go for finding like this. Okay. So it will be going on like this. Now we have to find it out. Any one is equal to 42 electron volt. So E2 minus E1 is not 42. E3 minus E1 is not 43. E4 minus E1 is also not. E3 minus E2 is also not having that value. So what we can write, photon A is not absorbed by the atom. Now what is the second value here? It is 51. So whether we have any values for 51, here we have a value for 51. That is E4 minus E1 is having what? 51. Okay. So photon B is absorbed by the atom. Okay. So we have calculated which one is absorbed and which one is not absorbed. Now coming to the fourth part of the question. Determine the radius of its first Bohr orbit. Okay. So the radius of Bohr orbit, that is given by the formula Rn is equal to A0 by Z into n square. A0 by Z into what? N square. Here n value is equal to 1. We have to find out the first orbit radius. And Z is atomic number, already we have calculated as what? 2. Okay. So R1 is equal to A0 value. A0 value is 0.529. Okay. Armstrong. 0.529 Armstrong by, here it is 2. Here it is 1 square. Okay. So what is 0.529 by 2? That is 0.265 Armstrong. So the radius of the first Bohr orbit is 0.265 Armstrong. Now the last part of the question, calculate the kinetic and the potential energies of electron in the ground state. Okay. So how to find out the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the negative of the total energy. So Kn is equal to minus En. So you know the En value because the formula itself we have the En value. So that is minus 54.4 by n square electron volt. So what is your kinetic energy? Plus 54.4 by n square electron volt. Now we have to go for the potential energy. So the potential energy is minus 2 times kinetic energy. Okay. So it is minus 2. Here the potential energy is denoted by the letter epsilon n. Okay. Minus 2. Kinetic energy is what? 54.4 by n square electron volt. So it is minus 108.8 by n square electron volt. Okay. Now for ground state, n is equal to 1. So what is your kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to 54.4 by 1 square. So that is 54.4 electron volt. Potential energy is equal to minus 108.8 by 1 square, that is minus 108.8 electron volt. So this is for the ground state. Okay.